Good morning, all of you. Good morning, beta.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Sorry. Only two students. Okay, let's wait. क्या कर सकते हैं? Where are the others?
Don't know, sir.
Sleeping.
Sir, no one has came over yet.
Hmm. Only two students. Not good. चलो, one more student has come. Manya.
Sir, only 4 students are there now.
Okay, we are starting now. Only 4 students. Okay. Okay. Let's start. They will manage somehow. Either they will be watching the recording. Those who are not attending, they will be watching the recordings. Then, do you think that the students who are not attending the classes, they watch the videos, recorded videos? Do you know something about it?
Sir, I think that the students which do work, they watch the videos. Which do the work in notebook, they watch the videos.
Okay. So to complete their work, and those who are doing their work in the notebooks and they are completing their work, so they watch the videos. Others who are not watching the videos, they are also not doing their work in their copies.
Yes, sir, I think. Sir, you can check in the views of your video.
In my views of the videos, I get only for every video, I get only in your section, I get only 5 6 views for every video, 5 6 7 views. And in C section, although 20 students attend the class, 20 22 students attend the class, math class. And still, when I see the views of that section, 7C, there are at least 12, 14, 15 views are there for every video.
Sir, I had also seen some videos of your 7th B class for algebraic expressions and triangle chapter.
So it is a good thing the students can, if something they have not understood, they want to revise, they can watch the videos. It is a good thing. Okay, so which question we have to do today? I think we have completed till question number 15. No, 14.
Sir,
We did
13.
we did 13. I gave you the 14th one in homework because 14th is same
Yes,
as
sir.
Sir, we have to do 15.
15 we have to do. Raj Nandini, beta, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Okay.
Okay. Not good.
Sir, I'm having a fever and I'm a cold.
You have fever. Why?
Sir, I don't know.
Cold, because of cold.
Sir.
Take care. Example 15, sorry, exercise 15B.
Thank you, sir.
Question number 15. Find the length of diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeters. So this is a rectangle The sides of the rectangle are, the length is 16 and the breadth is 12. Okay, you have to find the length of the diagonal. This is known as diagonal of a rectangle. AC is diagonal of this rectangle. You have to find the length of the diagonal. Okay, and we all know that in a rectangle, all angles are of 90 degrees each. Do you all know this? That in a rectangle, all angles are of 90 degrees. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
we can say that angle B is equal to 90 degrees. All angles are 90 degrees each. Okay. So in triangle ABC, now it is which type of triangle ABC? It is a right angle triangle. Am I right? Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle.
Yes, sir.
So we can use Pythagoras theorem in it. We can use Pythagoras theorem only in right angle triangles. So now we are going to
Yes,
use
sir.
the Pythagoras theorem. AC
देखो इस-
square is equal to AB square plus BC square. तो AC की लेंथ हम x मान लेते हैं. That AC is equal to x. So x square is equal to 16 square plus 12 square. X square is equal to 256 plus 144. The sum of 256 and 144 is 400. So x is equal to square root
One,
of 100.
400
Square root of
square root.
what is the square root of 400? It is 20 centimeters. Square root निकालना आ गया आप सबको? बहुत easy है.
Yes, sir.
So when you find the square root by the prime factorization method, you will see that the square root of
Sir,
400,
it will be 20 only.
it is the square root is 20 centimeters. Okay, this is the answer. Do it in the copies.
Sir, done and understood.
Sir, done.
To the 16th one, I will help you in that. 16th question. Draw a rectangle like this only in question number 16, all of you. Similar type of question is there. Draw a rectangle. Now in question 16, the diagonal is given. Diagonal is 41. आपको क्या दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन 16 में? डायगोनल गिवन है 41 सेंटीमीटर्स एंड द लेंथ ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज गिवन 40 सेंटीमीटर्स. 16 यहाँ पर 16 है, वहां पर इन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 it is 40 centimeters the length. Breadth is not given. Breadth of the rectangle is not given in question 16. So you will find the breadth using Pythagoras theorem first. First step is to find the breadth using Pythagoras theorem, and then you find the perimeter. What is the formula of perimeter? 2l plus b. This is the formula of perimeter. Find the perimeter using the formula 2l plus b. Okay. First of all, you have to find breadth using Pythagoras theorem. Start doing it. Can you all do it? No, नहीं कर पाओगे.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
please repeat the question.
एक रेक्टेंगल बनाओ पहले.
Sir, made.
हाँ. Now mark the diagonal as 41 centimeters.
Sir, done.
Mark the length of the rectangle as 40 centimeters. Length of rectangle is 40 centimeters, 4040. Breadth is not given. Find the breadth using Pythagoras theorem. Breadth निकालिए Pythagoras theorem की help से.
Sir, so here hypotenuse will be A and B, the line segment A and B.
No, beta, hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Let me tell you. This is not given. Well, question 16, the diagonal is given 41 centimeters. Length is given 40 centimeters. Breadth नहीं दी हुई है, x लगा लीजिए breadth. Okay, let the breadth be x. Now in triangle ABC, again angle B is 90. So in triangle ABC, we can use Pythagoras theorem. AC is the hypotenuse, BC is the perpendicular, and AB is the base. So AC square, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. AC की लेंथ हमको पता है 41. 41 square is equals to 40 square plus x square. Are you able to understand this? What I have done here? AC की जगह इस बार हमको मालूम है 41 है. AB is 40 and BC is x. BC is missing this time. Okay, so you put x in place of BC. So 41 square is 1681. 40 square is 1600 plus x square. So x square is equal to 1681 minus 1600. X is equal to square root of 81, which is equals to 9 centimeters. ये आ गई आपकी x की वैल्यू 9 centimeters. तो ये breadth आ गई. Now you find the perimeter of the rectangle. कैसे निकालेंगे perimeter? Perimeter is equals to 2L plus B. This is the formula. What is the length of the rectangle? 40 centimeters. What is the breadth? अभी निकालिए 9. So 2 into 49. Perimeter is equal to 98 centimeters. This is the answer. 98 centimeters. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 16 हो गया. 17 करना है. 17. Find the perimeter of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals are this and this. Okay. Question 17. Find the perimeter of a rhombus, the length of whose diagonals are 16 and 30 centimeters. So there is a rhombus. This is your rhombus. In a rhombus, you all know that all the sides are equal. मालूम है आपको? Do you remember the properties of rhombus? Properties of rhombus were taught to you in class 6. Class 6 में बताई गई थी properties of a rhombus. In a rhombus, all sides are equal, and the diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. याद है? क्या मतलब होता है इसका जो मैंने बोल दिया? Perpendicular bisector of each other. देखिए both the diagonals AC and BD, ये दोनों diagonals जो हैं they meet at point O. O पे meet हो रही है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द डायगोनल्स आर परपेंडिकुलर, यानी कि दोनों के बीच में जो एंगल होता है वो 90 डिग्री का होता है. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकंड थिंग दैट द डायगोनल्स बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर. दैट मींस O इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बोथ द डायगोनल्स. BD का मिड पॉइंट भी O है एंड AC का मिड पॉइंट भी क्या है? O है. बाइसेक्ट का मीनिंग होता है दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में काट देना, आधा आधा कर देना. तो AC का हाफ AO एंड CO दोनों हाफ हाफ हो गए, और BD के दो इक्वल पार्ट्स हो गए DO एंड BO. So this is the meaning of bisector. That means the diagonals bisect each other. और perpendicular का मीनिंग क्या होता है? दोनों के बीच में एंगल क्या है? 90 डिग्री का. Okay. So here the length of the diagonal BD is given 30 centimeters and the diagonal AC is given 16 centimeters. मैं यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ diagonal AC is 16 centimeters and the diagonal BD is 30 centimeters. Okay. Now, because we know that the diagonals bisect each other, can we find the length AO? AO कितनी हो जाएगी? AO हो जाएगी half of AC. AC
Sir,
divided.
8 centimeters.
Yes, 8 centimeters. And सेम इसी तरीके से BO की लेंथ क्या हो जाएगी? Half of BD, which is 15 centimeters. 30 को हाफ करोगे, BD की लेंथ क्या है? 30 सेंटीमीटर है. हाफ ऑफ 30 कितना हो गया? 15 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस इज
15 centimeters.
ये हो गई 8 और ये हो गई आपकी 15. ओके. नाउ वी नो दैट एंगल AOB इज 90. एंगल AOB यहाँ पर 90 का है. एंगल AOB is equal to 90 degrees. What is the reason? Why angle AOB is 90 degrees? क्या रीजन है? दैट प्रॉपर्टी है, rhombus की प्रॉपर्टी होती है that the diagonals are perpendicular. You can write the reason in the bracket. Diagonals are perpendicular. ये perpendicular का सिंबल है, क्लास 6 में भी पढ़ा था. Diagonals are perpendicular. उल्टा T बना दीजिए. T को उल्टा बना दो, इसका मतलब होता है perpendicular. Angle AOB is 90 degree. क्या रीजन है? Diagonals are perpendicular. Therefore, in triangle AOB, we can use Pythagoras theorem. हम लोग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का यूज कर सकते हैं इन द ट्रायंगल AOB टू फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ AB. AB मिल जाएगा हमको, और AB अगर हमें मिल गया देन वी कैन इजीली फाइंड द पेरीमीटर. तो ये सब जो हमने करा इतना जस्ट टू फाइंड द लेंथ AB. ओके. AB कैसे निकालेंगे? यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इन ट्रायंगल AOB. इन ट्रायंगल AOB, in triangle AOB, Can you tell me which side of the triangle AOB is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse कौन सी side है? बताइए. Triangle AOB.
Sir, side AB.
Very good, correct. Side AB is the hypotenuse, the side which is opposite to right angle. Right angle के opposite वाली जो side होती है, that is the hypotenuse. So AB square hypotenuse square is equal to AO square plus BO square. Got it? BO square, B बनाया मैंने. Okay. Now put the values. AO हमें नहीं पता है. AO पे x लगा देना है. यहाँ पे x square is equal to, sorry, AB को x लगा दिया. AO की वैल्यू 8 है. 8 square plus 15 square. So x square is equal to 64 plus 15 square 225. X square is equal to 289. X is equals to square root of 289. What is the square root of 289? 17. 17 सेंटीमीटर आ गई x की वैल्यू. पेरीमीटर निकालना है. पेरीमीटर is equal to 4 into side. We have found the length of side of the rhombus. Rhombus की side की length कितनी आ गई? There are 4 sides: AB, BC, CD and DA. चारों sides equal होती है. तो side की length कितनी आई है? 17 centimeters. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 17.
Sir, 68 centimeters.
Yes, 68 centimeters is the answer. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So now which chapter we will be starting?
Percentage.
Okay, sir. Sir, written.
Okay. Others done? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Question 18. Fill-ups. Do it in the book only. Do the fill-ups in the book. In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to dash of the squares of the other two sides. Sum of these squares. Sum आएगा first वाले में. Second, if the square of one side of a triangle is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the triangle is right triangle. If the square of one side of a triangle is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the triangle is a right triangle.
Right triangle.
Second वाले का आंसर है right triangle. Third one, of all the line segments that can be drawn to a given line from a point given outside it, is the dash is the shortest. The perpendicular is the shortest. Third one, perpendicular.
Sir, done.
write down the heading, percentage, name of the chapter, percentage. What is the chapter number 10? Is it 10? Chapter number 10. I'm sorry.
Sir, percentage, chapter number 10.
10. Yeah. So do you all know the meaning of percentage?
Yes, sir.
बताइए.
So percentage means to write a value in the form of
Out of 100.
100.
Out of 100.
Okay, sir.
Finding out the value of something out of 100. That means अगर मान लो for example you have scored 40 marks out of 50 in your exam. 40 मान लीजिए आपने 40 marks score करे out of 50 in your exam. तो अगर वो एग्जाम 50 मार्क्स की जगह अगर 100 मार्क्स का होता, 50 की जगह 100 मार्क्स का एग्जाम होता, तो आपके कितने मार्क्स आए होते? तो ये जो प्रोसेस है
40%.
मतलब 40 मार्क्स जो है वो इसको इस तरीके से सोचते हैं, मतलब 40 मार्क्स 50 में से आए हैं तो 100 में से कितने मार्क्स आएंगे? आपके 80 मार्क्स आएंगे और फिर डबल हो जाएंगे मार्क्स भी, बिकॉज मैंने टोटल मार्क्स डबल कर दिए, 50 के डबल कितने हो गए? 100 हो गए, तो मार्क्स आपने जो स्कोर करे वो भी डबल हो जाएंगे। 80 मार्क्स आएंगे तो इसको क्या बोलेंगे? 80%। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ परसेंट? परसेंट मीन्स फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ समथिंग आउट ऑफ 100। ठीक है, तो परसेंट जो सिंबल है उसका मीनिंग यही होता है, आउट ऑफ 100। परसेंट का मीनिंग, पर जो वर्ड है आपका, पर का मीनिंग क्या होता है? PER, पर का मतलब होता है आउट ऑफ, एंड सेंट का मीनिंग होता है 100। तो परसेंट जो वर्ड है इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? आउट ऑफ 100। तो फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एनीथिंग आउट ऑफ 100 इज नोन एज परसेंटेज। ओके, ये होता है परसेंटेज। इसके अलग अलग तरीके, बहुत सिंपल काम है परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करना। You have done this in your previous classes also. Let's start with the exercise. Basic concepts are, it is not required to write down anything because you have already done this in your previous classes. Exercise 10A, question number 1. First part, you have to convert this fraction into percentage. So whenever you have to convert a fraction or a decimal in percent, you will multiply the number by 100 and then put a percentage symbol. The fraction is 47 upon 100. Now when I convert it in a percent, when I convert this in percentage, I will multiply this number by 100 and then put a percentage symbol. Okay, multiply करिए 100 से और percent लगा दीजिए, change हो गया percent में. Now you simplify this, 100 से 100 करिए. What is the answer? 47% is the
47%.
okay. Similarly, the second part, 9 upon 20 into 100. चलो अगले स्टेप में जाएंगे। 9 upon 20 is the fraction. You have to change this fraction into percentage. 9 upon 20 into 100%. Okay. Simplify कर लो. 1, 5, 9 into 5 is 45. 45% is the answer. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Do the fourth part of this question. फोर्थ पार्ट करिए इसी क्वेश्चन का। After doing the fourth one, um, do the fifth one after fourth. Okay, I am doing the fifth part on the board. I hope you all have done the fourth one. Answer बताऊं fourth वाले का? Answer is in the fourth part. The answer is 32 upon 5%. Is this your answer? 32 upon 5%? नहीं आया? 8 upon 125. 8 upon 125 into 100%. इसको काटो 5 से, 5 आ गया, इसको भी काटो, सॉरी 25 से काट रहे हैं, 5 आ गया, इसको भी 25 से काट दिया, 4 आ गया। 4 into 8 is 32. 32 upon 5% answer. Got it? Similarly, do the fifth part also. Answer will be 19 upon 5% in the fifth part.